You'd never guess this. That soft, dough-looking blob you're seeing is actually the embryo of a vinyl record. So why are vinyl records so expensive? The answer is in this next step, pressing. That heated lump of vinyl gets placed into a mold, and when tens of tons of pressure slam down, every groove, ridge, and tiny piece of sound information gets stamped into the plastic in an instant. Then it's moved onto a trimming turntable, where all the extra edges get cut away, leaving the perfect round disc you're used to seeing. But here's the part that really blows people's minds. How does sound actually get packed into something this thin? A vinyl record doesn't play music with a chip or sensor. It works by physically carving sound into microscopic grooves you can barely see. When the needle rides along those grooves, it vibrates according to the tiny waves carved into the surface. Those vibrations turn into an electrical signal, and that signal becomes the music you hear. Every single second you're listening, the needle is literally reading the texture of those grooves, turning touch into sound.